You just finished eating, and suddenly your brain feels like it's shutting down. Your eyelids get heavy. Your focus disappears. And all you want to do is lie down. Sound familiar? Most people blame it on being full, or maybe poor sleep. But what if I told you that sleepy, sluggish feeling after eating is actually a warning sign your body is struggling with something much deeper? And ignoring it could quietly be damaging your energy, your metabolism, and even your long-term health. Here's what's really happening. When you eat, especially meals high in carbs or sugar, your blood sugar spikes fast. At first, this feels good. You might even feel a small burst of energy. But then comes the crash. Your body releases insulin to bring that sugar down. And sometimes, it overcorrects. Your blood sugar drops quickly, and that drop is what makes you feel exhausted, foggy, and unmotivated. It's not normal food coma. It's a blood sugar roller coaster. And here's the scary part. If this keeps happening every day, your body slowly becomes less sensitive to insulin. That's when things start getting serious. Fatigue becomes constant. Cravings get worse. Weight gain becomes harder to control. And eventually, it can lead to insulin resistance or even type 2 diabetes. Now pause. Think about your last few meals. Did you feel energized after eating or drained? Because your answer might be telling you more about your health than you think. But don't worry, this isn't where it ends. First, balance your meals. If you're eating carbs alone like white rice, bread, or sugary snacks, you're basically asking for a spike and crash. Instead, combine carbs with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. Second, move your body after eating. Even a short 10-minute walk can help your body manage blood sugar more effectively. Crazy simple, but insanely effective. And third, this is where most people struggle. You need to support your body's ability to regulate blood sugar consistently. Because let's be real, fixing diet alone isn't always enough, especially if your system is already out of balance. That's why many people are turning to natural blood sugar support formulas designed to help stabilize glucose levels, reduce spikes, and improve energy throughout the day. One of the most talked about options right now is Sugar Defender. It's designed to support healthy blood sugar levels using a blend of natural ingredients that work with your body, not against it. People using it often report fewer crashes, better energy, and more control over cravings. And honestly, that steady energy feeling? That's what your body is supposed to feel like. Not constant ups and downs. So if you're tired of feeling sleepy after every meal, if you're done with energy crashes controlling your day, it might be time to take this seriously. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Sugar Defender and see if it's right for you. Because that food coma you've been ignoring, it's a signal. And the sooner you fix it, the better your body will thank you.